So you want to make over $1 million a year. Well, the secret number is 33333. What do I mean? Well, $100,000 a month times 12 months is 1.2 million. Let's make that our number. $100,000 a month, divide that by 30 days. That's $3,333.33. Let's assume you're going to work 10 hours a day. Divide that by 10. That's 33333, $333.33 per hour. So all you have to do now is find a product or a service where you're going to be able to generate that magic number. That might be selling product on Amazon. It might be selling your time. It might be selling whatever it is to your network. Find a product or service that you're confident you'll be able to generate 33333 per hour.